guys. Hi Starshines. Today I will be explaining the Lara chair theory. So you don't have to look it up if you've been seeing anything about it. So, yeah. First of all, I want to warn you about things like skinwalkers, doppelgangers, and mimics. And also, fun fact, Megan can sense ghosts. That's going to be included in my script. Okay, I will be talking to you after a quick introduction to what the chair theory is. Just a quick thing for if someone needs to be quick. Okay. So the Lara chair, this is a quick, basically it's just a quick summary of the chair theory. You can skip this bit if you want. So one night, one of the staff members of Dream Academy heard noises coming from the studio room. She checked the cameras and saw a figure with 3 legs, no reflection, and it resembled Lara quite closely. The next morning, she asked Lara and she denied it, saying she was sleeping. So she told Megan to check it out, and she said it could be either a doppelganger, a mimic, or a SW, or a skinwalker. I prefer to say SW, by the way. So, if it was a skinwalker, or an SW, whatever you like to say, it would have had to kill Lara, but Lara was still alive, because she's obviously in Cat's Eye. Anyway, so we crossed out skinwalker. So, because it has no reflection, it would most likely be a doppelganger or a mimic. Because sometimes doppelgangers and mimics get shapes incorrect. And that's why she most likely had no reflection and had 3 legs. Okay. That's a quick summary of it, so let's get into the real thing. I'm gonna pull up Google so you can understand a bit more. Alright, so one day when all of the girls were asleep at Dream Academy, Lara was allegedly saw in the CCTV cameras by staff because they heard movement in the studio room. Staff checked the studio cameras during Dream Academy era and saw a figure closely resembling Lara sitting on a chair while everyone else slept. The next morning, Lara said that she was asleep during the time and it wasn't her because why would she have no reflection, no shadow, 3 legs? Some fans joked and speculated about paranormal activities, skinwalkers, mimics, doppelgangers, etc. because the figure had no reflection or shadow, and also 3 legs. Megan got asked to try and explain it because her mum taught her how to talk to ghosts, something like that. So she said it could be a skinwalker, a doppelganger, or a mimic. If it was a skinwalker, Lara would be killed by the skinwalker and then they would transform into a body, which could quite possibly be possible, but Lara is alive right now, so that just got ruled out. So Dream Academy by Hybex Geffen has had a theory about the Lara chair. And now, Lara has been speculated to do the help me hand sign. Let me show you that. Basically, this is what the hand signal is. She got seen doing it during the recent animal countdown thing. Anyways, soon after she debuted, well, not soon, but a couple of years after she debuted, they did a collab with Allure, I don't know how to say it, but it's spelt like this. Anyways, so she says our kids will be in a girl group / boy group. Lara said, my kids are not going to be in this because of the hate Lara has gotten, which could have added on to the Lara chair theory in some way, because she might have thought something similar might happen to them and they might get hate and be called fakes and stuff like that. So basically, that is the Lara chair theory for you. Bye, Starshines. And remember, be safe. Bye, Starshine.